Politics and economics are G-Kuminate. US stocks and FX are G-Kuminate.
This is the brief on the critical clinical data release from Recursion Pharmaceuticals. All right, so let's talk about the tech bio giant Recursion Pharmaceuticals, ticker RXRX. They're heading into a really major market test on December 8th. It's a big deal because they're releasing some high-stakes clinical trial data, and this is pretty much the moment of truth for their unique AI-driven drug discovery model. First up, the focus is all on their experimental drug REC-4881. They're about to release new safety and efficacy data from their Tupelo Phase 1b/2 trial. So that's where they check both initial safety and get a peek at whether it's actually effective. The drug is what's called an allosteric MEK1/2 inhibitor. Simply put, it works by targeting a specific cellular pathway that tends to go haywire in a lot of cancers. Second, what's the target here? It's a condition called familial adenomatous polyposis, or FAP. This is a severe and thankfully rare genetic condition where lots of colon polyps form, which, you guessed it, frequently leads to colon cancer. And you know this is a serious presentation when you see who's talking. Their chief scientific officer and chief medical officer are on the docket. That tells you the company sees this as a huge validation moment. And finally, you gotta remember Recursion's key advantage. They basically digitize biology. They generate these massive data sets that all get run through their own platform, the Recursion OS. So this FAP data release is really the moment the market gets to judge whether this AI supercomputer model can actually accelerate cures for these kinds of rare, complex diseases. This December 8th update is the ultimate stress test, and it's set to determine the credibility of the entire tech bio revolution against these incredibly tough conditions.
All right, that's it for today. Thank you for watching today. Let's meet again next time with a brand new topic. Stay tuned for the next video, and don't forget to subscribe and turn on notifications.